Y'all, I might be making a little wasp or a bee. I don't know. This thing is not coming together as a card holder. It's fighting me too. Some days just be like that. Ow. I'm almost wondering, now that I've got it there, I might be making a bird out of this kind of steampunkish bird. What I'm doing here is basically cleaning off all that 5-7-year-old paint at this point. It's hardened to a good coating. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to be able to weld to the metal now. Actually, it's pretty stable. And then what I'm thinking about doing is some kind of beak coming out of there. If today doesn't tell y'all that, like, just sometimes it just doesn't work. Like, and you just need to go with the flow rather than fighting it. I came out here to make the card holder, and I made a terrible card holder, but a project that had been looking me in the eye for literally ever is finally starting to come together. Maybe not. Maybe. Oh, that one might do it. Oh, yeah, I'm starting to see it, guys. So, what I've got to do here, because I can't get in there to the paint there, I'm going to put the grinder here, the ground strap here. I got to get these welded together. It won't work otherwise. think we're going to put some kind of headdress up there. And then eyes. And then I think that will be done. I have no idea what to do with the card holder we made, but what will likely happen, and anybody who actually knows me is going to understand this about me, I'll take it to Chris, and Chris will likely show me what needs to be done with it. She'll have a great suggestion, and I'll probably mess with her about like controlling my artwork, and then I'll do it, and it'll end up perfect. But right now, I'm just too inside my own head for that piece. And truth be told, I'm just kind of digging this other piece a little bit more right now. That is coming together right there. Set this back up, right? So that I can get this mohawk on here perfect. Okay. And then oh, I think it's definitely on top. Oh, you can't even see it down there. No. I wonder if I can get y'all to the point where you can see. Let's see, I'm thinking eyes like this up there. Right up on the guy's side. I don't know. I'll go with something a little, ooh, I like that. Yes. Don't even know that I've got a second one about the size, but I think that might work right there. He's got the proper look of being completely crazy. Trying to position the teeth. What I'm seeing is teeth. Somebody else might see something differently. Just perfectly. That might be it right there. And then I can weld it. Yeah, I think that. Let me see. There's one last. I want to see if we can slide something in there and kind of cover some of that. I don't know that we will, but oh, that is it right there. And then on this one, ow, everything's getting too hot to handle, y'all. Too hot. Oh no, I didn't have my lead. It's a balance of hands, y'all. Balance of hands. And what I'm trying to do is get it on the where I previously welded it so that I can tack it into the same welds that are on the outside, because this isn't the thickest material. Okay. Well, I made something I'm proud of today, at least. So, no, you can't really see it. But let's see if we can get some detail there. And then you got its little tail feathers and wings. And then back around. And it's gonna eat you. I don't know. I get excited about new things like this. All right, guys. That's it for today. Thanks so much.